You searched how to buy shares of Syros Pharmaceuticals Inc. Syros is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SYRS. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds to place orders. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker SYRS to find Syros Pharmaceuticals Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker SYRS to ensure this is the correct asset. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open depending on the platform, and if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same example.